Yeah, relay a little bit more. Headed out to the store today to get some more groceries and some more home supplies, and look what I find right outside. The Shade Tarts calendar from Rodeo Arcade, but well, it wasn't even in the mailbox. They just dropped it on the damn floor. What the hell? So we'll take a quick look. Let's see if we got one of the signed ones. So. Rodeo Arcade receipt. 25, blah, 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 blah. Fun. And good enough. Good enough. Good ones here. So I'll show it to everyone else. And we're good. See how this thing cleaned out. Pretty good for now. Even the butter dish.
Do I have it?
Right over there. Freezer still needs to be cleaned, but otherwise. Okay, it's Wednesday, just around 3:40 in the afternoon. It's been kind of trying to snow for the last hour or so. You can kind of see, actually, let's step out on the front porch. More of a wet snow. It's accumulating on the in the grass, but melting on the road. So, kind of good and kind of bad. But we'll take a snapshot almost every hour if we can and see how it accumulates. Okay, now it's 4:22. Let's take a peek outside an hour later from our first one. Yeah, relay a little bit more. Yeah, relay a little bit more. Okay, 5:35 and still snowing. Getting slick out there. Alright, 7:11 at night. Still snowing. Let's take a look outside again. Actually tapered off a little bit. More snow than rain or slush. Somebody creeping through. If you look over there, well, you can really see it better. People taking their time. Not too bad, but there's a lot sitting on the radar. My radio's on, music on, and there's the radar. Last, what, 2 hours. Alright. Just after 9 o'clock at night. First winter storm. And of course, yeah, now it's getting slippery slick out here, even on the front porch. So you can tell it's still coming down. Now it's really low. So yeah, I'm not going to be going anywhere really soon on these roads because I'm going to. People are still trying their luck out there. Nice.